Driving in Australian conditions can take its toll on vehicles. Whether it's travelling out in the bush, exploring beaches, or just daily driving, it's important to know that your vehicle injectors are operating effectively and not creating further problems for your four-wheel drive down the track. CRD Fuel Enhancer is a highly concentrated diesel fuel additive designed specifically to boost diesel lubricity, restore injector spray patterns, and reduce injector rattle. CRD Fuel Enhancer is added directly to the vehicle fuel system. Safe to use in all diesel engines. Results are independently tested. If your vehicle has started smoking from the exhaust, has developed an injector rattle, or the fuel economy has declined, it could be the case that your injectors are out of spec. With CRD Fuel Enhancer, diesel injector spray patterns can be restored without spending big dollars. When added to the diesel, the CRD Fuel Enhancer's concentrated detergent will easily disperse any fouling deposits that are affecting the fuel delivery. Travelling through the fuel system, the detergent cleans the entire common rail fuel system, while the enhanced lubricity cuts wear to fuel pumps and diesel fuel injectors, lubricating, cleaning, and restoring spray patterns. CRD Fuel Enhancer comes with a variety of benefits, including clean sturdy injectors, restores injector spray patterns, outstanding anti-corrosion protection, boosts diesel lubricity to extend injector and pump life, 100% DPF compatible, will not void new car warranty. CRD Fuel Enhancer is perfect application for maintaining your vehicle.